Kaizen is an outstanding business tool that helps organizations to achieve new heights. It is a system, process, quality improvement and business transformation methodology all combined in one.
The roots of Kaizen reach back to the late 1940s, when Japan's economy was still reeling from World War II. Kaizen principles have been viewed as one of the key factors to Japanese competitiveness. It begins with the admission that every organization has problems, which provide opportunities for change. Kaizen involves everyone in the organization and largely depends on cross-functional teams that must be empowered to challenge the status quo.
Improvements through Kaizen have a focus. Kaizen generates process-oriented thinking. Also, it is people-oriented and is directed at people's efforts. That is, rather than blaming employees as the cause for the problem, Kaizen emphasizes that the process is the target. Kaizen emphasizes that inefficient processes must be improved and employees, especially those close to the process, can provide the best process improvement ideas. This not only increases the business's efficiency but also reduces its operational cost. Basically, Kaizen is not just about improving quality and its saving on cost. Kaizen helps to make make more revenues, more customers, and many newer innovative and cutting-edge products.
Visit drshrutibhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.